In this video, I'll be showing how to change oil on the booster pump. Ecoclean machines use different pumps for specific tasks. Most models will use a live oils pump to create vacuum and a booster pump to feed more air into the vacuum pump. This time, we'll focus on the booster pump. Booster pump will need an oil change every 2,000 hours. To perform this oil change, it is also necessary to have a suction bottle. To change oil, we first turn off the system key. Here we have the booster pump. As we can see on the right side, it has a side glass that indicates the flow of the pump. It should indicate the same flow as the motor. Next, on the left side, we have on the top the side glass for the shaft seal, and on the bottom the side glass for the hydrokinetic drive gearbox. We then proceed to take out both plugs from the top. To the right, we have a metal plug, and to the left, we have a plastic plug. Next, we're going to take off the bottom plug so we can drain all the oil, and also use a suction cup to take out the oil that is located on the left side chamber. Once all the oil has been drained, we plug the bottom plug and we make sure to fill to the proper levels. After the oil has been set to proper levels, we're then going to put back both top plugs. Now we'll go to the HMI select machine, maintenance, roots oil change, and we're going to press on acknowledge oil change. This way the hours will reset. Then we can turn on the machine, and finally set machine to automatic, set it to home position, and make sure the heaters are on.
Ecoclean, technology that inspires.